I'm out of money. I'm hungry. Let's fix one of those things. Hello, I'm your college cook. We're just gonna make some instant ramen today. I'm not sure if we have the cutting board. There's no cutting here. Let's just go to the stove. In your pork pot, get a lot of water. And I mean a lot of water. I'm gonna show you why and the way I make ramen for myself. Carefully place the pot down and set the temperature to about medium-high. While I was waiting for the water to boil, I found an excuse to have the cutting board out. Just cutting up some cilantro. Trust me, you don't need this. This was completely just for pretty points. And you know I love pretty points. Once the water is boiling, add in 1 egg. We're gonna let this boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. I have a confession, I don't really like super runny eggs when it comes to like food. If you do, that's fine. I don't like them too runny. That's why I'm doing 4 minutes. I mostly ate hard-boiled eggs growing up, so I'm used to hard-boiled. Once the 4 minutes are up, you add in your ramen packet while the egg is still in there cooking. This way wastes less time and I don't have to reboil water afterwards. Cooking the noodles thoroughly should take only about 2 minutes or so. So the egg will be cooked for about 6 minutes. If you don't want to cook your egg for 6 minutes, just adjust how long you leave the egg before the noodles for your desired egg yolk runniness. Once cooked, take the pot out of the stove. Drop the egg into a nice bath. Carefully drop your noodles onto a bowl, adding the water too. Not too much, just enough to cover the noodles. Once you did that, we turn around, and now we add in our season packet. We're also adding some onion powder, garlic powder, chili pepper flakes, and mix all that in. We now grab our cutting board with our greens, and we get our egg too. Crack it open. That doesn't have to look pretty. Drop in the greens. We're also dropping some fresh lime juice. Mix it around carefully. Taste it. And yeah, this is really good. Although good, I like to add some tapatio to mine too. Mwah. Now it's perfect. Nibble on the egg. Delicious. 10 out of 10. One day I'm gonna make a ramen with some meat on the side to make it look all fancy. You'll see. But for now, this is just perfectly enough. I hope you learned a new way to make some ramen. It wasn't too different, just adding some extra things. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.